if you want your videos to be effective, you have to have both value and values. See that pun there? Okay, so in other words, the values you stand for must come through. That's the values portion. And the value you provide for your clients must also come through. So what you stand for versus what you're giving, right? Those are the two things there. And for content to be valuable to your client, it needs to entertain, inspire, or educate. And this is part of the value equation. And the second half of the value equation is created in taking action. Nothing happens till they take action. So your content should entertain, inspire, or educate while also pointing them towards taking steps or taking action, right? It's not entertainment for entertainment's sake. That would work if you were an entertainment company and your goal is to get them to sit on the couch and watch more. Then entertainment for entertainment's sake is great. Entertainment to move them towards action, that's what you want. Inspiration to move them towards action, that's what you want. Education to move them towards, you get the point, right? That's what you want.